right, guys. First trout on. All right. Check this out, guys. Yes.
Hey, all right.
Hey. First fish, guys. Ice fishing. Nice shot, just on little maggots and a hook. There we are. Check that out. Beautiful. All right, guys, check that out. First one of the year through the ice. Awesome. First one. It's cold as hell out here, though. Right, we're out of here. Very slow day. The guy next to me ended up catching a little bit, but not much. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We'll come out probably next week. We'll be out here. The guy next to me caught a couple, 3 to 4 on power bait, and I only caught one. So make sure you hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.